Hey guys, just thought I'd show you this. So what I've done is I've moved the door closer to here because this has hold open feature. So if you open it up all the way to about there, as you can see, it holds open. Then when you pull it forwards, it shuts. But yeah, I'll show you the speed. So this is the speed on it. But yeah, I'm going to do one more cycle and then I'm going to go, guys. But yeah, that's the gate door closer. It's going to be like this. And we are going to put a piece of this stuff up here just so it has extra support. But yeah, bye guys.